Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious and flavorful one-pot Mexican rice and beans dish. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need for our one-pot Mexican rice and beans. 1 cup of rice. 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed. 1 bell pepper, diced. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. We'll start by heating up some olive oil. Once it's hot, we'll add our chopped onions and bell peppers. Sauté them until they become soft and fragrant. Now, it's time to add our minced garlic, cumin, and chili powder. Stir it all together and let those incredible aromas fill your kitchen. Next, we'll add our rice and black beans to the pot. Give it a good stir to coat everything with those flavors. Now, let's add enough water to cover the rice and beans. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender. And voila! Our one-pot Mexican rice and beans are ready. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe.